morning here on the homestead. It's a really nice morning. Sun's coming up, birds are chirping, and I'm out in the garden. I've got 6 tomato plants we're going to be transplanting into Dave's bed this morning. Got the first hole dug, and we'll get to the transplanting. And that's a brandywine tomato. We're going to put a couple in over there, and a few in down this end of the row. Tomatoes are now in. A little fertilizer in each hole. I'm just going to give them a water now. That's it. The 6 plants are in and watered. And I might put in a few tomato cages on the bigger ones down here. And that's it for this morning.